Hello everyone. Today let's talk about J-type cap oil seal. This product is a soft oil seal. Look there. The size is internal diameter is 32 and external diameter is 57 and the sink is 10. This has many following features, such as long service life, good brush resistance and high temperature resistance, good structure, aging resistance and oil leakage prevention, and mud and water resistance. This is a national oil seal and it's applicable to mechanical engineering and equipment processing industry, sealing of transmission system of agricultural machinery and engineering machinery. And this is a soft oil seal. It is a J-type cap oil seal. Welcome to inquire and order.